Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Today, harvesting 11 peppers. So I see this video this morning. This lady's been doing this. She said she's been putting white vinegar in a jar for 11 years, or at least a decade. So through the years, if the liquid runs down, she just fills it back up. But I went and got the hot peppers. She did jalapenos. And then I seen a branch was down with 2 of these on it. Tell me, is the little one still good? I think I'm going to put it in there. Oh wait, I need the comments. So I'll cut the rest of these up, get them in there. I need the seeds, and everything else goes to compost. So I'm going to throw that in there anyway. That's not a hot pepper, but it's going in. So everything's doing really good. I got the sunflowers are coming in really awesome. Almost as tall as the corn. I have a lot of kale that's ready to go. And I got some large tomatoes coming in, another set. Round 2 for the large tomatoes. A bunch of cherry tomatoes coming through. I got one, the neighbor got one, chickens got one. Yeah, rainbow chard, I'm gonna get some of that out. I still didn't plant those over there, so I gotta get those in the ground quick. And I got one coming in here for, I don't know what reason, somewhere in there, I can't see it on the camera. But yeah, I got some little tomatoes coming in right there. So gardening's doing a fine job. I got a squash over there and some cucumbers coming in. But yeah, today's prize, let's see if I can fix this. Today's prize is right there. Doing my own peppers for the first time. Yahoo! And that's awesome. And have a nice sunny day.